To troubleshoot your Santander graduate account, start by checking your account status and recent transactions. Look for any unusual or unauthorized activity that may be causing issues with your account. Make sure you have sufficient funds to cover any pending transactions or payments. Next, review your account settings and preferences to ensure everything is up to date and accurate. Check your address, phone number, and email address to confirm that Santander has the most current information. Verify your account details, such as your account number and sort code, to ensure they are correct. If you are experiencing issues with online banking or mobile banking, try resetting your password or clearing your browser cache. Check that you have the latest version of the Santander mobile app and that your device is compatible with the app. Contact Santander customer support if you need further assistance. They can help you resolve any issues with your account, provide guidance on troubleshooting, and offer support with any account-related queries. You can reach them by phone, email, or through the Santander website. When contacting customer support, have your account details and any relevant information ready to help them assist you more efficiently. Stay calm and patient, and be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any issues with your Santander graduate account. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any future issues.